Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Rebel Scoutmaster. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Please stick around at the end of the video for the giveaway information. I know you want to. Do you want to take your boring exhaust from looking like this to looking like this? Well, stay tuned if you do. Hello everybody, it's me from the future. As I'm editing this video, I realize I probably should give some kind of explanation to say that I'm not a mechanic, nor did I know what I was doing when I did this, so do this at your own risk. I haven't had any issues with it, but I can't be responsible if you mess up something on your exhaust. Sorry. So the first thing you actually have to do is decide how much you want to cut off the factory exhaust. I chose about 11 inches. So you take your exhaust off, measure it out, your 11 inches, and what you'll do is cut with a grinding wheel all the way across and all the way around, and there's two layers you have to cut through. So when you cut through all that, that piece will slide off. You'll have to beat that piece off with a hammer or a mallet. You just hold it and you'll hammer on it until it slides apart, so that inner ring is not attached to the outer ring. So this is the piece that actually I cut and left on the end of the exhaust. There's only two cuts you have to make for this to work. The first cut is actually unsleeving the chrome part from the inner tube. The second cut is actually taking the end cap off of what's left of the sleeve. So the end cap, having the little stop with the little tube there, is actually attached on to the shorter end. I cut that off about 5 inches, so there is a little tube that's attached to the end cap itself that's about 5 inches long. I did not have any pictures or photos of that, but I think everybody gets the idea. Once you do that, you find your friend that knows how to weld, you take him the end cap, and you have him weld it back on the shorter pipe. And once you do that, you can put the little trim ring back on and you are done and good to go. Follow me for more modifications, and keep it two wheels down, guys.
This is the audio test of the shortened exhaust, which some of my other videos kind of featured that too, so this is what it sounds like up close. Thus concludes the audio test. Well everybody, thanks for watching my video. I got some other exciting news though. It's kind of a teaser. I am going to have a giveaway, and the way this is going to work is I have a set of Shorty GP exhaust that I purchased myself, and I used them for about 2 weeks before I made the modification on the factory exhaust. And I took them off. So I took them off because they were too loud, not because there was anything wrong with them. They were just too loud for me, for my taste. So what I'm going to do is, in this video, you have to leave a comment. You need to subscribe to my channel. You need to make a comment in this video, doesn't matter what it is. And in 2 weeks after this video is debuted, I will have the drawing, and you will have to contact me. I will post the winner in the comments of this same video, but you will have to contact me, and then I will ship them out to you. So again, like the video, subscribe to my channel, make a comment on this video, doesn't matter what it is. So there's going to be a two-factor authentication to verify that you're the right person. So once you win, you email me, I will give you a verification word and then you will edit your comment to include that word, and that's how this is going to work, so that I can verify that you are who you say you are. And this is not sponsored by YouTube. This is purely my own product. Not my own product, but it's my own. I bought it with my own money. This wasn't sponsored or anything like that, and it's not sponsored by YouTube. So I would also appreciate it if you would follow me on Instagram, rebel_scoutmaster. So this giveaway is effectively $110 of items. Now, they are used. 2 weeks I used them, so there does show signs of some use, some light scratches and whatnot, but it is nothing that I would really be too concerned about for a free gift, or a raffle, or whatever you want to call this. So I will also post the instructions in the comments below, so that we can be all legal and everything. So that's how this is going to work. 2 weeks after this is debuted or posted, I will have a drawing, and they will be randomized through a website to randomize the comments, and that's how I'm going to do it. So share it, like it, subscribe it. Come on, share it around, because I know somebody wants to win these things. Now, also, you have to be in the United States. So I'm not going to ship them to Australia, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I'm not going to ship them all the way to Australia. Unless you want to pay to have them shipped to Australia, it might be cheaper just to buy a set of the GP Shorty Exhaust for yourself. So continuous US only. So all you US people, subscribe to my channel and share it around. Until next time, guys, peace.